Hello dear traders, my name is Mike and these are the main trading ideas for the current trading session. Let us start with EURUSD. The euro climbed up on Wednesday against the background of positive EU GDP data. Eurozone gross domestic product exceeded the market expectations. According to Eurostat data, the EU GDP grew by 0.3% in the third quarter in 19 Eurozone countries from July to September. In terms of year-to-year growth, the EU GDP grew by 2.3%. Overall, Eurostat data exceeded market expectations of 0.2% growth in the third quarter and 2.1% growth year-to-year, which were published in November. Next, GBPUSD. Pound sterling rose against the greenback on Wednesday and traded near its highest level in nearly 6 months as policymakers started waiting for the crucial meetings of the Bank of England, the Federal Reserve, and the European Central Bank. The Bank of England has raised rates from 0.1% to 3% as part of its current tightening cycle. And markets are forecasting interest rates to peak at about 4.6% next year, but officials have consistently pushed back the expectations for the final rate. GBP rose by 0.3% against the USD, up to 1.2207, almost hitting a 6-month high of 1.2345 on Monday. After reaching a record low of 1.0327 in late September, pound sterling rebounded for nearly 18% as the new government cancelled much of the previous administration's mini-budget and the greenback weekend, as the US Federal Reserve intends to lower the pace of rate hikes. And last but not least, USD Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar was little changed against its weaker US counterpart on Wednesday, holding near a 1-month low amid falling oil prices, and the Bank of Canada signaling it was nearing the end of its interest rate hike campaign. The Canadian dollar initially rose after the Bank of Canada decided to raise interest rates by 50 basis points rather than the 25 basis points the money markets had expected. The central bank reversed the forecast guidance it had been using since it began raising rates in March, abandoning their statement that they should continue to rise. The loonie exchange rate was almost unchanged at 1.3650 per US dollar. These are the main trading ideas for today. Thank you for your attention and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.